Are you ready to transform your living room into a cinematic wonderland? Today, we're diving into the top 5 4K laser projectors that bring the big screen experience home with stunning picture quality, immersive sound, and smart features that elevate your movie nights, gaming sessions, and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. First up is the Samsung 120, the premier ultra short throw 4K UHD smart single laser projector. Its 4K laser technology delivers ultra bright visuals, with 2,200 lumens ensuring clear, vibrant images even in ambient lighting. Its ultra short throw and compact design allow it to sit inches away from the wall, seamlessly blending into any space. Powered by Tizen OS, you have access to all your favorite streaming apps, and with built-in Alexa and Bixby, you get hands-free control of your viewing experience. Plus, with a 2.2-channel surround sound system and auto game mode, this projector isn't just for movies, it's perfect for gaming too. Next, the NEBULA Cosmos 4K offers a massive 200-inch screen, Dolby Vision for true-to-life colors, and a combination of laser and LED technology, delivering 1,800 ANSI lumens for exceptional brightness. With Google TV and 4K Netflix built in, it's not just powerful but portable, allowing you to take movie nights anywhere. Plus, with autofocus, keystone correction, and ambient light adaptation, it's a projector that's easy to set up and delivers a flawless picture. The JMGO N1S Ultra 4K triple laser projector turns any space into a vibrant cinema. Its cutting-edge RGB triple laser technology offers unparalleled color accuracy and brightness, boasting 3,000 ANSI lumens. Whether in a dark room or a well-lit environment, the 4K clarity is jaw-dropping. Equipped with real-time autofocus, auto keystone correction, and smart objects avoidance, the N1S makes setup seamless. And with its 20 watts Dolby Digital Plus sound, you'll feel fully immersed in your movies and shows. For gamers, the BINC TK700 STI is a must. Its short throw capability projects a 100-inch screen from just 6.5 feet away, while the low latency of 4.16 ms ensures you stay ahead in every match. This projector is optimized for console gaming with special game modes and 4K visuals running at 60 Hz. With flexible throw distances, auto keystone correction, and built-in Android TV, the TK700 STI is perfect for any gaming or movie setup. And finally, we have the Dolby Vision LTV 2500, a premium 4K ultra short throw projector that brings cinema quality visuals to your home. Its triple laser technology and Dolby Vision support give you breathtaking color and contrast on screens up to 150 inches. Paired with Dolby Atmos sound and whisper quiet operation, this projector provides an immersive experience that's perfect for movie lovers. Plus, with support for 3D content and HDR10+, you can experience films like never before. Each of these 4K projectors offers its own unique features, from ultra short throw designs to incredible brightness, rich colors, and smart capabilities. Whether you're creating the ultimate home theater or gaming room, there's a projector here for every need. Which one will you choose to elevate your home entertainment? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more home theater tech reviews.